finally down to the Final Four in the Ray and Neville Jamaica Premier League, all en route to the big Labor Day Super Final. But while champions Cavalier and Montego Bay United survived tough quarter-final battles, the issue arises again. Will Arnett Gardens and Mount Pleasant suffer from inactivity and match rustiness after 2 weeks of sitting and waiting, compared to Mobe and Cavalier, who are fully active and battle-tested? So does the top two finish advantage become a disadvantage? But guess what though? The proof of the pudding will be in the eating. And that eating begins at the Catherine Hall Stadium on Thursday. And it's not just the pursuit of championship glory, but also the prestige and lucrative rewards of competing in the CONCACAF championships. And so, it's the Ray and Neville Jamaica Premier League semi-finals. Let's get ready to rumble!